How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly deposit money in stake. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So there are actually a couple of different methods that you guys can try if you're trying to get into the cryptocurrency game and basically buy some bitcoins or whatnot. And stake is one of the known ways of funding your crypto wallet. So a couple of the methods that you guys can try pertain to a direct bank transfer into your stake stake account, or it can be with a debit or credit card, or Google or Apple Pay, which I'll be showing you in just a bit. So there's some things to note though before we get to the steps of how to deposit into your stake account. Those steps being that stake does not support any third-party deposits. So this is in accordance with their terms and conditions. So you want to make sure that the name on the remitting account precisely matches the name on your stake account. So everything has to be um, parallel and the same in terms of information. So this way, there won't be any issues when making the transfer. Also, Stake does not support BPay, international wires, or in-person branch transfers such as cash deposits or check payment methods. Also, it's important to note that your bank may actually hold your payments to new payees up to only 24 hours for security purposes. You want to make sure that it's done within this window or period of time. You may also be asked to provide additional documentation, information, or payment receipts to support a transaction made on stake. So this is to ensure that the security of your funds. This is just to ensure that your funds are well protected, and they're trying to make sure that it doesn't get compromised. So no fraud attempts will be able to take place on your account. So that's cool and all. Now let's talk about the different methods. So being bank transfer and the debit credit card payment method. So question goes, can I fund my account via bank transfer? So yes, you can. You can deposit funds into your stake Wall Street account via bank transfer from an Australian bank account. The minimum funding is 50 Australian dollars. And to do so is quite simple. You guys would just have to open the app and click on add funds and basically just follow the on-screen instructions. So this one's simple, but the one that we'll be discussing is the direct deposit too, which I'll get to later. So that's the bank transfer method. Now let's do the credit and debit card methods, also pertaining to Apple Pay and Google Pay. So to do this, the minimum amount is also the same. It's 50 Australian dollars. And for the credit or debit card, you guys would want to open the app or the website and go to your portfolio dashboard and click on funds. And when you click on funds, there should be an option that says add funds. So basically just follow the on-screen instructions here, input the amount that you want to add to your account, and then select if it's debit or credit, and then enter the details as you go, and then confirm deposit. Now the same applies to Google and Apple Pay. It's quite straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you should be good to go. Now, as for the actual steps, how do I transfer? On the Stake app, like I said, go to the portfolio dashboard and tap buying power, and then there should be an add funds button. And on the web, click on the wallet icon in the top in the right hand corner to add funds. So this is for crypto. Now insert the deposit amount that you want to transfer and select the bank transfer and your preferred funding speed. You'll then be provided with the bank account details to use when making a payment from your financial institution. It's vital that you enter the correct account number, basically the bank details, account name, description, whatnot, and once you've reviewed all the details, you're ready to transfer. So just click on confirm, and that'll be it. So yeah, that's how you can transfer. That's how you can deposit money into your stake account. So hopefully this video will help you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.